The mission of Project Learning Tree Ohio is to advance environmental literacy and promote stewardship through excellence in environmental education, professional development, and curriculum resources by using trees and forests as windows on the world. PLT Ohio is committed to empowering the next generation with the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed decisions and take responsible actions to sustain forests and the broader environment.
I especially like those activities that get the students outdoors and get them thinking about what they're seeing. Project Learning Tree is one piece of that environmental education, teaching children how to think about the environment, not what to think, but how to think, so that they can make good decisions for themselves as they grow older and become voting citizens.
The future of the environment and our natural resources begins with the education of today's youth. Because of that, PLT strives to make its environmental education resources available to all educators, so they'll have effective tools to make a difference with their students. One of the most efficient and effective ways to ensure for widespread teaching of environmental education is to incorporate PLT curriculum resources into collegiate coursework for teachers. A number of colleges and universities in Ohio have already embraced PLT as a key part of their pre-service education programs, allowing future teachers to get an early introduction to these valuable teaching resources.
So with the pre-service teachers, what I appreciate with the Project Learning Tree activities is the ability to simulate some of these processes that are very abstract. And then I also use it as a way to teach my pre-service teachers, my students, about ecological principles that are necessary for promoting environmental literacy.
And the thing that I love most about it, and loved it when I was a teacher of young children and love it as a teacher of these young adults, is that it develops classroom community. We laugh together, we hiked together, we got tired together. We had shared experiences that made us feel like a community. It was fun.
PLT curriculum includes and encourages demonstration activities, hands-on learning, and outdoor experiences as part of everyday lesson plans. These interactive teaching methods are very effective in educating and also inspire students to think globally, solve problems creatively, and embrace challenges with enthusiasm. Studies have shown that environmental education programs like PLT engage students of all ages in the learning process, raise test scores, and encourage youth to pursue careers in environmental and natural resources. Generating excitement and innovation among students and teachers is an added benefit of Project Learning Tree.
One of my favorites to do, it's called Peppermint Beetle. And it's about how beetles and other insects use pheromones to detect their presence of a mate and how they find each other in a vast forest. Well, I'll take that same activity and use it as a salmon migration activity where we're migrating in from the ocean up into freshwater streams surrounded by ancient forests. And how do these fish make use of pristine aquatic ecosystems that are made that way by the intact forest ecosystems around the headwaters of those streams. And so we're tying together lots of concepts.
All of the activities get your kind of creative juices going, and you can kind of read into things that maybe are there and used, but also some things that you kind of create on your own.
The way that young people learn about the environment will largely determine the quality of life for generations to come. Environmental education is necessary to help students understand the environmental challenges of not just today, but also of tomorrow. Instructional strategies incorporated into PLT help foster leadership qualities by emphasizing cooperative learning, critical thinking, discussion, and a focus on action strategies with real-world applications. Making PLT available to future educators and in turn to the youth that they serve will undoubtedly create a positive impact in the future. PLT Ohio welcomes you to explore how PLT can fit into curriculum at your academic institution.